So please get settled. I'm Russ again. I didn't change my name during the night. And first of all, I hope you enjoyed last evening. And once again, we should give our thanks to Jim Bellingham for a terrific presentation. I thought it was fantastic. So Jim got to tell a story, and so I get to tell a story. So my story goes like this. There was this couple in the Middle East, and they gave birth to twin boys. Very wonderful thing, but unhappily the couple couldn't afford to raise the boys, so they decided they would give them up for adoption. And one of the twin boys was adopted by an Egyptian couple, and they named him Amal. And the other twin boy was adopted by a Spanish couple, and they named him Juan. Over time, the adoptive mothers kept in touch with the birth mothers, and when the boys were about 10, the Spanish adoptive mother sent a picture of Juan to the birth mother. So she was very, very excited, got this picture of Juan, ran to her husband and go, "Oh, look, we've got a picture of Juan. Now, only if I had a picture of Amal." And the husband said, "What? They're twins. I mean, you seen Juan, you seen Amal." Took a while to get there. Ooh, yeah, may a camel caravan had a rest stop on your front lawn. Okay, so it's my pleasure to introduce the other half of the dynamic Schmidt couple that has been so instrumental in forming this fantastic organization. Eric Schmidt will join us this morning, but he'll join us, how else? Electronically, because he's in Asia. Is that what I understand, Victor? Somewhere in Asia right now. But we're fortunate to have if you folks are ready, to cue up a brief video of welcome from Eric. And so, without further ado, let's please listen.
Well, welcome to day 2. I'm lost somewhere in Asia, and so I can't possibly get there in time, but I want to welcome you to a great conference of something that we care a lot about. If you think about the confluence of energy, water, food, and the oceans, they're all interlinked. And what we want to do at the SOI world is we want to sort of do the science to make sure that we get that stuff right. As everybody here knows, the oceans are 70% of the Earth, 40% of the CO2 absorption, food supply for somewhere between 1 billion and 2 billion people. So even if you don't care about the oceans, you should care about the fish. The important point here is that you're not going to make progress without instrumentation and understanding, and real science is what's going on. Because of the way technology and physics works, we don't get a chance to see very easily what's going on. And in many of the missions that we're trying to put together, we're trying to map and instrument what is happening in reality to the Earth that we desperately need to be successful. If you think about the problems we're going to face going forward, first we have to get the science right. And then when we figure out what the science is, we have to figure out how to fix the problems. You have a science problem, you have a communications problem, and then you have a governance problem. We're all committed, and Wendy and I in particular are committed to making all of that happen to save the planet. Thank you very, very much for being there.
That's short and sweet. So we just want to thank everybody for attending, but we also like to bring out Lisa